Yeah. Dude, it's too big. You can't see smack. Hmm? We're gonna die. Any day now, I know, right? We're all dead. I just want you to know that you're my bestest friend of the whole wide world. M&M's are better. Fuck you. Your sister. Dominic, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? I'm not taking pictures, I'm taking a video. I've currently received a message from God, apparently. Here it is. Brenda just gave it to me. It says, I need light, hold on. Because you suck. Thank you.
This is not a lockdown, this is a shelter in place. If the students are under their desk, they are more than welcome to sit in their chair.
Simon! No! Oh. We should turn on the lights now. Oh. Hey, I was gonna sit on the beanbag. Lights off. Okay. No. I'm using my camera. Whenever they tell you. Not yet. Until it's up. Hi, Andre. Yeah. What are you doing?
Teachers, please take attendance immediately. All teachers, please take attendance immediately.
Okay. I am present. That was Kiana, Ashley, Hannah Montana, Malone Woods. No. Oh, and the one recording is Amber Goodman. Shut up. Sanchez Barcenas Castañeda. It's too dark, you can't even look. Oh. I can't. No, you really can't look. Yes, you can. You can if you go barely, because my eyes are closed. Hi. Hi.
I will write you all up.
But you were not. How did you get the referrals, Michael? He stole them. From who? Hi, Lisa. Hi, Savannah. Hi, Raquel. These are victims of the earthquake of San Diego. The future earthquake that I guess could happen. That's Alexis. That's Taylor. Brianna. Yeah. You can meet everybody else later.
Kiana, no matter.
Oh, let me listen to your iPod.
Oh, I'm listening to it now.
Yeah, there could be earthquake of San Diego, like Haiti and Chile. It's gonna be a 9 point something, I predict. Oh, the best is victim here. Moi. Okay. No joke there. Did I tell you why? What? Erase the board. Erase it. Yeah, buddy. What's Shelby? Okay, everybody shut up.
I see no one.
I see air. Excuse me. Ow. I'm going to be the outside now. It's not destroyed yet. Wait, what? Hey, I remember when you used to your Mercedes. Fish face?
She did.
Oh, she didn't.
Ooh, this is my first shit.
Yeah, I'm recording of how we died. Taylor's dead. Miss Melissa's here, you'd be like this. Who, Mr. Lang? Yeah. Oh, I know. These are a few of the survivors of the San Diego earthquake. That's Marco. Okay. That's Miles. That's, yeah. When you were what?
Make fun of his Christmas?
Yeah, you're like, shut up, children.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah.
You really videoing it?
Yeah, no.
Guys, I could video it for
Guys need to be quiet.
The brave young student leads the pack of the survivors.
Come on. I'm gonna take Amber's name down.
Dude, you should freaking hold a lot of
Really? A lot of people out there, I heard.
Wow, you're retarded.
They came to rescue us. There's nobody there. Marco, what are you doing on the desk? Bless you, Kiana. I know. Ow. I'm writing down Steven Zane and Miles and yeah, don't even start. And this Christmas should be like, settle down, children. We have your mother. I know, she was high. You guys are supposed to be as real as possible, so if we were to die, this is how we died.
Yo, Diego, whatever your name is.
This is a documentary of how we died. Documentary.
Final destination.
Oh, Final Destination 5. Coming soon to theater near you.
Wow.
You heard me? There's Final Destination 1, 2, 3, and the Final Destination being 4, but this is the 5th one. This is real. How we died. That was nasty. I accidentally got killed as a buzz. That's one of our best actors. He's what's up in my backpack?
I'm bringing a chair.
Oh, we should.
I'm bringing a chair. Let's all bring chairs.
Okay.
And we should just leave like that. Oh, how much are we paying? Dominic.
What? You're not in it, don't worry.
I don't like being in the
Okay, you won't be in it. You're black. Okay. Can you get the back of your head?
We would have been dead. We all would have been shot because she told us wrong.
Found the ramp. Act well when we're outside. When people
Behave, you guys. Behave. Why is there nobody else?
Other buildings aren't out.
Yeah, why are we going
So Norman's class is getting out. Norman's coming out of the closet.
Make sure all the
Norm dog.
1, 2, 3. Norm dog. Did you say corn dog or Norm dog? That's what it sounded. Oh, that's dick. I mean, not big. That's dick. Hi, Brenda.
That was it?
That was short.
Wow! All that farming.
I know. Supposedly.
All that.
back it up.
That was a big scary disaster. That was like 20 minutes. There's gonna be police officers and firefighters and dead people and whatnot. Let's say your binder. Take your binder.
Everybody back inside.
I thought you said we go to 7th period. When the 3 o'clock bell rings. Yay! That's stupid. It is very dumb.
Oh my. I guess not.
Can we turn the lights at least?
That's me to make you
Jones in there, right, saying I'm ready for some stuff. So I guess we're not gonna die. This video is just still a documentary. But it's still going on YouTube.